What we have here, people, is the Jp104. It's a 4-channel, 6600 watt amp. Nice box. Alright, so the Jp104. It has a 4-ohm power rating of 1,000 watts times 4, 2-ohm power rating 1,300 watts by 4, and 4-ohm bridge power 3,300 watts by 2 channels. So this is pretty much 6,600 watts total. And I'm pretty sure it will be a lot more if you got a really good electrical. Because you know JP, his amps are definitely underrated. So you know this amplifier is underrated. Frequency response, 10 hertz to 21 hertz. So this is a full range amplifier. Signal to noise ratio, 90 dB. Input sensitivity, up to 6 volts preamp output. And this actually has a 10 times multiplier. So that means you don't need a high pass filter, or you don't need any type of filter for this. And it goes up to 8,000. It goes up to 8,000. As you see, not bad. All right, let's look at that, because I know that's what y'all want to see. I already opened it already. I'm just making it more convenient, so because I'm holding the phone. But looking at this 10.4, it looks exactly like my 83s that I had. Exactly like it. It may look darker through the video, but in person, it looks like 2 different colors. In person it's green, but through the camera it looks like it's teal for some reason, but it's all right. All right, it comes with a manual. It has a bass knob too, but I think I took it out and put it somewhere. I'll have to see where I put it at. All right, so this is the 10.4. Has an input, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4 input, and has an output to go to another full range amplifier. It has a channel 1, channel 2 crossovers. It also has a clip indicator for channel 1 and channel 2, which is good. I don't think I've ever seen that. I don't know, I have to check and see. It also has the little telephone jack that y'all see right there, just in case you want to connect a bass knob to it. And then it has a 2-channel, 4-channel mode too. So that's another good thing. If you look over here, these are true 1-aughts. You got 2 power, 2 ground. And these are the 4-channel outputs right here. This is pretty nice. This is really nice. And if you want to bridge your speakers, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It shows you how to bridge it with the 1st and 2nd channel, and you do the same thing with these 4 channels right there. So, or not 4 channels, but channels 3 and 4. You bridge right here and right there. All right. Let's look on the back side. I'm not gonna take this off because I don't want to void the warranty. But this is the Gutshot of the 4-channel. And I must say, it is pretty. Nice, decent sized caps, capacitors. The down for sound sticker on it. Got a nice fan right there. And if you look at this plexiglass and you look at how the amplifier is designed, the depth is kind of offset. That way there's some space at the bottom of this amplifier. So if you decide to mount it on a flat surface, this area right here will not touch the flat surface. It'll have room. I had to have room to disperse that hot heat or the hot air that's inside the amp. But this is pretty nice. This look like this is 8 gauge from the looks of it. 8 gauge wire. Definitely looks good. All right, so you guys want to know why I decided to get this amplifier. All right, I'm going to tell you exactly why. The reason why I decided to get a Jp104 is simply because this is pretty much 3,000 watt amps into one. Pretty much. This is pretty much 3,000 watt amps in one amp. And a person that's running a huge door setup, this will definitely be a good idea amp. And like I said, y'all know I'm a person that likes to have a huge front stage. And I've been waiting on an amp like this for a long time. And the plan is to have 2 of these. This is going to be running on my Pride W8s, and it's going to be running on my Diamond V2s. And y'all didn't know that. I'm going to have Diamond V2s and Pride W8s in one door. Well, not one door, but it'll be in both doors. And I'm going to have the other amp. Like I said, I'm going to have 2 of these 10.4s. The other 10.4 is going to be running on my horns and my tweeters. So that's how that's going to be ran. And I want to run big power on my front stage, just so I can set my dB overlap to 0. That way, if I turn it up, it'll still be just as loud, and it'll be so clean. So clean. You don't have to have a 3 dB overlap or a negative 3 dB overlap or negative 5 dB overlap. Don't have to have none of that. So this is one of the main reasons why I got this amplifier, for huge overpower. And I can wire my speakers at a higher impedance. That way I have better efficiency. So definitely a good amp. I suggest you guys check it out. The Down for Shop store, downforsoundshop.com, if y'all want to look for one. And just so y'all know, I am not a Down for Sound affiliate, but I like to show off good things, especially if it's worth buying. I don't have a problem with that. So, hope y'all like this review. Give a like, share the YouTube video, and leave comments if y'all got questions. All right, y'all be safe.